let's go find out about the Aviary Fireworks Festival. What are those tickets for? Let's go find out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to stop and talk to the Enchanted Pyrotechnician at the Enchanted Pyrotechnician's shop. Here you can purchase the festival earrings and the Enchanted Fireworks staff with event currency tickets. This staff differs from the staff that you can buy through the constellation spirits. First off, it has that rocket sound of the launching of the fireworks. Just watch and see. And second, it has that glittery effect at the end. I really enjoy this staff. I like it a lot. The second thing your event currency can buy is these festival earrings, which I will show you how they look with different hair settings. So each one of these I chose just to show you that how it versus the shorter hair and the longer hair and how those earrings sit. I didn't go through every single one of my cosmetics, and it would be too time consuming, but you can see how they look with each hairstyle. Now, at the Boat at Home base, don't forget to collect your free accessory spells. And you can also use the tickets at the bottom that you can purchase tickets with ascended candles or regular candles. It's only 2 ascended candles or 6 regular candles to buy event currency tickets. Thanks for watching.